Guys, as you can see, we are running in deep profits. As you can see, guys, the bill account from Globex 360, the best broker ever. As you can see, we are running in good profits, guys. Gold is killing. Everything is just killing right here. Let's look at a different account, which is this one is the big account. Let's look at the medium big account. As you can see right there, guys, the 50K we actually withdrawn last week on this one. As you can see, guys, we are running on 11,000 profits. So the first one is 18K, this one is 11,000. So as we literally look at the 3 months, the past 3 months, we literally withdrawn 10K USD from a deposit of 50,000, right? So we made a profit, I think, of above 60K, and then we made a withdrawal, but it's not a big deal. So let's now focus on a different one, the smallest one, the baby, right? As you see the baby right there, guys, it's mostly important to understand that we are also running into profit. And then the deposit here, it was